See now the rain, how much the rain goes on the van into my carport. Seems to be doing quite well. Looks pretty dry to me. Obviously the back end gets wet, but inside there's all my Beetle stuff. Pretty dry, really. Right, anyway, the reason I'm doing this video because I just want to check two things. I want to check what type of heater hose connectors I need to go here. There's one there, because I want to reconnect the heating. Let's just, I'll have to get my knee wet, both my knees wet. There we are. Yeah, I need the connection bit that goes through there. Okay, let's look at the other side as well. I was also going to look at the pedestal. See that? I'm going to re-weld a shelf onto that. It's going to be quite easy actually. Oh, wet knees. Right, let me just check the other one. So, see that well, but yeah, I get it. You need a little bit that goes up the connector. That's that.